Hello everyone, welcome to Sevathon video series. In this video we're going to look at how to create a pledge page and raise funds for your nonprofits. The first step is you need to go to connectme.org, then click in login. The recommended way to create an account is to use one of the social logins that is available. So for example, I have a Gmail account that I want to use to log into ConnectMe. So I click on login with Gmail. So that's my email. So my password, and basically asking me permission to allow connectivity between Gmail and Connect Me. So I'm going to click allow. So now that I'm logged into Connect Me using my Gmail account. I mean, similarly, you could use Yahoo, your Facebook, or you could create your own account on Connect Me as well. This is a much easier way to log in, and easier way you don't have to remember one another password. So the first step after logging in is to check your pledge page. So if you see this icon in the top left hand corner, when I click on it, that's the profile page that's there right now. It's empty. So let's add some content. I'm going to click edit profile, and this is where you need to put in your content. So I've typed up some content that I want on the pledge page. So I'm just going to paste it here for now. So that is done. Then you could add all additional information as much as you want, like if you have a website, say www.ishavidya.org. This is just an example. You should use your nonprofit's website here. You could use your nonprofit's email here, and you could choose whichever information needs to be public. So I want this website information to be public, so I'm leaving it as it is. You could very well add, you could use all these additional tools to add like images, hyperlinks, etc. So let's just go ahead and save. So now the website shows up, and we have the content that we pasted into the profile page. Next step, let's go ahead and add a picture. I'm sorry. So edit avatar, then I just choose a random file that I have. It's best to use a personal picture. Then I click upload, then it's uploaded. So then now I just go back to my profile page by clicking on the profile button. Now the picture is uploaded. Now the most important step that needs to be done is to connect your pledge page to your nonprofit's cause page. Let me show you how to do that. For example, say this user wants to connect her page to Isha Vidya's cause page in Sevathon. So the way to do that is go to Sevathon, go to event dashboard. This will list all the nonprofits. I could choose Isha Vidya, I could choose any other nonprofit of my choice. So for example, let me choose Isha Vidya. Now this shows the nonprofits page. So you click on causes, then it shows Isha Vidya at Sevathon 2016. That's the current cause. So we click on that, you click join the cause. As soon as you click on join the cause, it will become leave the cause, which sort of shows that you've joined the Isha Vidya's cause in Sevathon 2016. I go back to my profile page by clicking on the profile button. Then there you see on the right hand side that right now my pledge page is connected to the Sevathon 2016 cause of Isha Vidya. You could customize it a little bit further. You could change, like, 100 or 1000. But most important thing is it should be whatever your nonprofit name at Sevathon 2016. Only then the funds will be properly allocated to your nonprofit. So make sure this is your nonprofit name at Sevathon 2016. Save. and you're ready to go from here. So if you want to share this pledge page to your family, friends, and your Facebook account, all you need to do is share this URL, and they can, as soon as they click on the URL, they'll reach to this page. They can choose an amount, or they can put in an amount and click on donate. Say put in like $10. I would like to be anonymous. Then click donate. It's going to take me to my PayPal account, and I can, if I have PayPal, if the donor has PayPal, they can use PayPal. If they don't have a PayPal account, they can just use um, the credit card account. So that's it. So let me just go back to the main page. So that's the nonprofit page, um, and that's where that's your profile page. And if you want to add additional pictures to your pledge page, you could add albums. For example, you go back to the main page, click on tools, photos, then, so if you click on mine, as you can see, I don't have any photos yet. So you could click upload photos, create an album, and the title of my album is, say, classroom photos. Click save. Then it says upload photos this album. You click on that and say choose like the same picture, just to show. Put photos, and there you go. That's my first picture in the album. You go click on classroom photos, and it shows only one picture. Now I go back to my profile. If I want this to show up and all the pictures in this particular album to show up on my profile page, I just click back to my profile, then click on what's known as add widgets, and click on latest photos, and there you see it. So that's it. You could use, again, you could use this URL to send it to your friends, and they'll be in this page and they can make the donation on your behalf. Thank you. If you have any questions, please email support@connectme.org.